My name's Joe Pruden with Big Shoulders Capital. Big Shoulders is both an alternative lender and equity investor and owner of industrial manufacturing businesses. On the debt side, we provide capital to non-bankable businesses. And on the equity side, we buy both healthy and distressed businesses. The healthy businesses that we look to acquire have annual top-line revenue between $20 and $50 million. And on the distressed side, we look for businesses that have low, no, or even negative EBITDA. Top-line revenue ranging between $50 and $100 million. Please stop by. We'd love to talk to you about how Big Shoulders Capital can be a solution and a resource to both you and your clients. Thanks.
Founded in 2016, Birch Lake is a merchant bank with an advisory and investment platform that provides innovative solutions and capital to complex and time-sensitive situations. We focus on structured debt and equity investments and seek businesses that are underperforming, under financial duress, or in out-of-favor industries. We've deployed over $350 million in direct capital and co-investments since inception. We aim to invest across industries and across the capital structure, deploying capital where needed based on our understanding of where the most attractive risk-adjusted return lies. On the advisory side, we work closely with companies on financial restructurings, mergers and acquisitions, capital raises, and strategic and corporate governance matters. Our customized solutions neutralize complex and stress situations and enhance long-term enterprise value.
Briar Capital provides owner-occupied commercial real estate financing solutions for asset-based borrowers. We only provide real estate loans. We work through the network. We feed the network on deals we can't provide. But when we can go 1 million to about 18 million on our loan size. Our loan to value is going to be 50 to 65% and higher if we need to. We do a 3-year term. We basically do 20 to 25 years on an amortization schedule to make it easier. And we primarily work with manufacturing, office and warehouse, and distribution. So remember, if you ever have a client that says they can't get the liquidity and they own the real estate, give us a call. We may be able to help.
Hello and welcome to Bridge Business Credit. Since 2002, we provide non-bank asset-based lending solutions to a broad range of operating companies located throughout the central and eastern U.S. We focus on industries such as manufacturing, service, transportation, staffing, amongst others, utilizing a client borrower's accounts receivable, inventory, machinery and equipment, and if needed, owner-occupied commercial real estate. We help these companies bridge back to a conventional solution as quickly as possible, namely between $500,000 and $6 million sized opportunities. Bridge Business Credit, empowering businesses to grow.
Edge Capital Lending is a family office-backed specialty finance company focused on providing $5 million to $50 million lines of credit to businesses looking for flexibility and to those that may not have access to traditional bank financing. We're national in scope, sector agnostic, and work with businesses in the manufacturing, distribution, wholesaling, consumer products, e-commerce, and service industries. Our credit facilities typically do not have financial covenants and are customized for each borrower to maximize availability and flexibility, allowing our customers to focus on operating their businesses.
Kinsey Capital Partners is a Chicago-based private equity firm that invests in lower middle market companies in the manufacturing, business services, and consumer staples industries with adjusted EBITDA between $3 million and $15 million. Founded in 2017 by Suzanne Yoon, Kinsey is one of the few private equity firms in the nation to be founded and led by a woman. We have a strategic partnership with a 150-person management and technology consulting firm that allows Kinsey access to a team of experts that we can leverage to identify and execute value creation opportunities. Working closely with management teams to execute strategic vision, Kinsey seeks to create sustainable outcomes by leveraging technology and a strong operational focus.
Republic Business Credit provides ABL, factoring, and e-commerce facilities of up to $15 million for privately held and sponsor-backed businesses in the lower middle market. We help businesses that are navigating recoverable distress, experiencing rapid growth, seeking acquisition opportunities, or just starting out. Our industry focus includes, but is not limited to, food and beverage, apparel, consumer packaged goods, manufacturing, distribution, oil field services, and temporary staffing.
Rosenthal & Rosenthal is the leading commercial finance company in the United States, providing recourse factoring, non-recourse and international factoring, asset-based lending, purchase order finance, direct-to-consumer, and e-commerce inventory financing to a broad range of industries. In business for over 85 years, Rosenthal is now led by third-generation Rosenthal family. As a privately held company, Rosenthal is committed to providing personalized service and flexible lending solutions. Whether your business is facing restrictions on borrowing-based capacity or you've simply hit a rough patch, Rosenthal supports companies that cannot secure traditional bank debt or want to avoid regulation and other red tape. Rosenthal currently has 600 clients nationwide with facilities ranging from $500,000 to $35+ million. We have offices in New York, Los Angeles, Atlanta, North Carolina, Houston, Denver, and now Chicago. Can't wait to hear from you soon. Thanks, bye-bye.
Sienna Lending Group is a leading non-bank asset-based lender that provides middle-market companies with creative solutions when they're unable to access traditional bank financing. We can monetize asset classes ranging from accounts receivable, machinery and equipment, inventory, real estate, and intellectual property. We focus on transactions ranging from $10 to $100 million. We do business across the United States and Canada. Since 2012, Sienna has consistently found ways to provide borrowers with the maximum amount of flexibility and liquidity needed to operate their businesses.
SLR Business Credit provides first lien, fully secured, asset-based loans and factoring facilities, ranging in size from as little as $100,000 up to $50 million and above. Our team delivers working capital solutions when traditional banks cannot. We serve manufacturers, wholesale distributors, and service businesses located throughout the United States. At SLR Business Credit, you will find a cohesive team that has worked together for decades, helping businesses both grow and turn around. Our experience allows us to quickly identify whether or not we can provide the right solution for a prospective borrower and quickly and efficiently navigate them from proposal to close. We look forward to meeting you, to working with you, and appreciate your time and attention. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm David Levy from the Chicago Midwest office of Summit Investment Management. We have three components to our business. First, we buy all kinds of distressed debt. We buy debt secured by commercial loans, real estate, or industrial loans. We buy single loans or portfolios. We are investing in loans that have typically an unpaid principal balance of $1 million up to, say, $75 million, but potentially even higher because of the strength of our in-place capital partner. We will look at anything from an ongoing manufacturing concern to a church loan. Think of Summit for your toughest deals. In fact, frequently we work with financial advisors who have been unsuccessful in financing out a lender at par. We work collaboratively with the financial advisor and their debtor client, and we approach the bank with an offer that the debtor is fully aware of and will understand what their arrangement will be like with Summit Investment post-closing. Second, we provide rescue bridge loans for storied deals and those requiring speed. Our bridge loan product is 6 to 36 months, and it's useful for situations such as auction financing, whether that be for real estate or a business, particularly one being bought in a 363 sale, or situations where it's just simply taking longer to obtain traditional takeout financing. Next, Summit Investment provides debtor and possession financing. And finally, Summit Investment purchases judgments, purchases hard assets, and we also purchase other sort of eclectic receivable opportunities that are secured by a lien on an asset of any nature. So please think about us in all these different situations, and I hope we can find something to work on together. Feel free to call me anytime at 312-909-1696. Thank you.
Hello, this is Toby Bailey on behalf of TMA Capital, an investment platform headquartered in Los Angeles that provides debt and equity capital to middle market businesses that are facing an inflection point. The companies that we target are between 30 and 750 million in revenue in three main industries: industrial, consumer retail, and business services. Here at Terramar Capital, we're able to work up and down the transaction spectrum, from traditional buyouts to bankruptcies. Roughly 80% of our deals are control, while 20% are non-control, and our average check size is between $30 and $50 million. In a world where certainty and speed are often important considerations, our creative deal structure and experience working through complex situations often sets us apart from other platforms.
Wingspire Capital provides senior credit solutions from $20 million to $200 million for middle market companies. Our structures include revolving lines of credit, cash flow loans, fixed asset term loans, first out term loans and revolvers, and equipment leases. We are industry agnostic with a focus on manufacturing, distribution, consumer products, automotive, e-commerce and retail, business services, among other industries. We strive to provide thoughtful and creative solutions tailored to the specific circumstances of each client.